G'day y'all, Mr. Chez Poulet here. So we're just filling this feeder up. I put one bag in. 19th of July, Friday. We are like 9 p.m. So let's see how long that lasts. The last one was less than 2 days. We also have quite a few meat birds, but we got one with a bloody wing right here, this boy. Hey, I don't know what's wrong with his wing, but we're gonna call him tomorrow. That's Donald. We'll have a new Donald. We're gonna call him tomorrow and see how big he is. He's a nice big duck. And then we got some meat birds. We'll kill probably a couple meat birds. Wouldn't hurt to kill a few. They're not quite that big. I bet you they're about 5-6 pounds. That's my guess. The duck's probably closer to 9 pounds. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. We'll see how long that bag lasts.